I have to confess, I have been eating lately a lot of sugary foods. It doesn't feel so good after the fact, and I'm still craving for some snacks that contain sugar. So today I decided to make some of the sweet vegetables that are in our JCC cookbook. So on page 18, I found a recipe for honey-glazed carrots. I decided to make that recipe because it asked for honey, so I know it's going to be a very well-balanced recipe, and in addition, it is sprinkled with chives. Now, I don't eat chives very often, and I am curious to see how it's going to taste. Having made recipes from the cookbook, I have been tried many different things that I haven't eat yet, and I wouldn't make if I wouldn't have the cookbook, so I really advise you getting one. The ways of how to do it is in our website. I'm really glad that I did. Truthfully, I am enjoying cooking from it, and the dishes that I have been doing really taste good. So this is how I did it. I began by washing, peeling and slicing the carrots. Got my ingredients ready: the honey, salt, butter, water, mustard, and the chives to be sprinkled at the end. Put the butter on the pan and added the carrots. Then I added all the rest of the ingredients except the chives and let it cook for about 10 minutes until it all came glazed. Look how good it looks. It was truly delicious. I really like this recipe.